Leaping more than 6 feet, they create sonic waves. And at twice the speed of a bullet, the sound radiates across the ocean. More than 2.5 miles away, other devil rays, using specialized hearing organs with hypersensory hairs, lock on. Numbers grow until they're gathered in the thousands. These spectacular aggregations give each ray the best chance to pair up. But now the battle to breed really begins. Male rays chase females and compete with each other to be first in line. All this activity also attracts trouble. Gathering together makes the rays easy targets. But the opportunity to pass on their genes is worth dying for.